Okay, which work you do here?
This design.
Okay, art
Work.
design. Okay, you will take me around the work whether I don't finish what is there on it. So you design with this?
What we just do for it now, just the cap and the frame.
Okay.
Then the light box now we do here. So we constantly do the coping.
Okay, the coping.
Yes.
Okay.
So like this, go this side.
What about the light box?
Yes, the light box.
One?
Yes, now we do the light box. Come reach this side. Come end for here.
Okay.
Then the coping there inside.
Okay, we'll see the coping.
So the coping start from here.
Okay, so the coping start from
this corner here. This one the coping. So after we don't finish the coping, now they come do tarolane for the body. Not be so we leave them now tarolane. I make and do like this.
Okay, when you finish your work, they can't use tarolane.
They spray them. If you look at now tarolane, they spray the face. The main artwork they inside.
Okay.
So like that they come.
Both the light box.
Yes, both the light bulb for inside. So if you check and I see that tarolane that they do finish after we do the design finish.
Okay. They call you tarolane designer.
Yes. Like that they come.
You just come back some more. Okay,
so both the betting too for the main house.
Okay, you still do betting?
Yes, we still do the betting.
Okay, I'll show you our audience betting.
Still do the betting.
At the call. Okay, you said you do betting.
Body betting. Body betting. But not be the main artwork for the house.
Okay.
Because now they renovate the house.
Okay.
So now this betting and the design here now we do.
Okay, the betting, the copy and the light box. Now you do here.
Yes, and those are front pillars.
Okay. You come back small, okay? May our audience hear you proper if you talk here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, follow me.
There and this cap we did this one too.
Which one?
We see amend this cap we did on top.
Okay, you see do amendment here?
Yes, put amendment for the cap.
Okay.
You see do all this one like this. Go the front like this. Then the betting around the house like all this one so.
I don't know.
Now we see do the betting too.
Okay, so betting around the house.
All the betting
around. Okay.
The bet around the house. So all this one are spray where the spray put will not be so we shine them. Where the spray now there's a put cellophane here.
What is a spray?
Yes, nice thinner like this.
Okay.
If you look and you see that they are really spray, nice thinner. There's a put cellophane before the spray. But all this you not see all this one. The tarot staining, I be all this one. Not be so we did one before.
Okay.
So the bet like this. Follow this one. Go reach that side.
Okay, the betting
like that. The bet like this. Go to that side. Run all the bet around the house.
Okay. So my people, okay, Atman don't take me round. We for do artwork here, and it don't true with the work. So okay, what is your name?
My name is Mr. Monday.
Mr. Monday, the Atman.
Yes.
He can talk to you. So my name is Osabo. So how the person contact you, okay?
He contact me through Edo Talk Show.
Okay, through Edo Talk Show platform.
Yes.
So when yours contact you, you give money because start work. I mean, you can check what you want to do.
Actually, I call check and send me transfer and I can't check the work.
Okay. So what you go like the person?
God will bless him. He try. And apart from God will bless him, as he take give me transport, go check the work. God will bless many of una where they give us transportation. After na give us transportation, we still can't check the work. Na still give us the work. Not be some way they use all the compare price. As I can't check the work, as I tell and say how much we want to do one, it's okay. More can't start. So and many of una wey see they give me work for East. God will bless many of una where they give us work for East, where they give us transport, they go all the way from Benin to East. Now God will still bless many of una because you know there is way go send money from an outside, give us money they work for now. We'll go check work. So God will bless many of una. So most of now they send us 50,000, 40, 60,000. Any amount they go on that place is they go they work. But God will bless many of una, and God will still bless this woman the way he say give me this work.
So the work when you do here, so the pillar, now how much for the pillar?
What we do here now just the cap.
Okay.
Cap now we do.
How much for the cap?
Just cap. What we do this cap now 15,000 per one.
Okay, 50,000 per one.
One cap.
What about the light box?
The light box now 6,000.
How much?
6,000 for one.
Okay, 6,000.
Yes.
And the copy?
The copy still remain 8,000 naira.
Okay, copy still remain 8,000.
Then the frame. This frame so we don't top so now 60,000 for one.
Okay.
The inner art now 12,000.
Okay, inner art now 12,000.
12,000.
Okay.
Then this betting now 150.
Okay, the betting of
yes.
The house.
Yes, now 2 flat there. If now 1 flat now half of fan which is 750. But this one now 2 house there. 1 flat there, another flat there that side. So now 150. In case if now 1 colors too, say now get 1 flat like this, now 750. Which 75,000 I be for half. But if na full one like this 2 flat like this, now 150 they do 2 flat. If na 3 bedroom flat with 2 step contain, now 2 flat it be now 150 for betting for 2 step like this. Anyone you want do now precast or now direct you want do one. So, but if you get design what you like, that one directive work, that one price they different from the one you see. So, if you say you get design what you like, not the way you we don't tell you say. This design at 150, you go carry royal design, come give me, you expect now I go 150 for you, price they different. What you see for her, if you like and so I go do one for you. But if na side work you won't go do, na time so of waiting I charge you here, now go use charge for outside work. But if you say you know one time, so you go add 1,000, you give me my transport when I take go, transport when I take come. Any transport I want spend for my workers, now you go pay. But if you don't want transport, if I dey do window for Benin, 7,000. You give me 14,000 for one window for this design when I do. So anything I do at that time. So, but depends on the way you sit here agree with me. If now you see talk where I see the way you take follow me up, I feel say remove money for you. But if you say no, say you want yours 10 me say maybe now so we take the do one. So, but if you see arrange with me, I feel say remove money. So now so we did one.
So like how many bag of Smiths do this work?
Smith will spend for year now. Actually, we are not too counter, but Smith will use for year not pass. Might say 30 bag of Smith for everything we'll do here.
What about the triple sun?
Now 1 trip we use.
2 in 1.
Yes, 2 in 1. And 2, in case if now won't give us work, because client they already talk about that one. If now won't give us work, as far as saying now just workmanship, now I charge you. Now you go buy shovel, bucket, lay and bandy wire we will use to work because it is very important now because you not expect me say you give me might do one window for you or might do this copy for you 8,000. You expect me I'll carry bucket, shatter motor, take carry bucket, take come. Then if I dey go, I will say shatter bucket, go house. So if I won't come do your work for you, as far as saying I just material and I'm workmanship, and I'm you charge. anything we wan use work apart from the mood we wan construct on our own. If you wan use bucket o, we wan use shovel o, anything we wan use water, we wan use sand as meat, na you dey in charge for am. So no be when we don start work now you begin tell me say you for tell me about those ones. So and table, if you know say you no get table for site, na you go give us table. If you know say you no get money for table, but you get nail, you get wood wey dem use take construct am, I fit do am for you for free based on say you no get. But if you get somebody carpenter wey dey do am, make dem do table keep for us, because e dey very important. Because some now with all this side now, make dem give us bucket, dem begin dey use all the play. So e dey very important. Anything we wan use work, bucket, anything, and I go dey provide am for us.
Like how many weeks take you to do this work here?
This work wey dey, as you can see now, na rain disturb, but the work now wey we do the major work now, e no pass for this.
Okay, no
we
pass
take
for
do everything, yes.
Okay. So you call your phone number when I fit reach you?
My phone number na 070-6067-6883.
Hold on again.
070-6067-6883.
On that number there?
Yes.
Hold on.
090-6505-71112.
My people are grateful for the time to watch this video.